Welcome to the openSAP course Be Visual Sketching for IT Business. My name is Martina Schuh. I'm a design consultant and team lead at SAP, and I will introduce the course to you now. First, I will talk about reasons why you should take this course, and second, I will introduce the course structure. So, why should you learn about visual communication? My colleagues and I will shed some light on that from our work experience. So, meet Anja, she's a designer, and meet Jörg, he's a software developer. They're both also trainers on this course, and you will get to know them later on. But Anja, tell me how you are working visually.
We work a lot in visual ways. Sometimes it can be a rough sketch on a piece of paper. Other times it's a storyboard drawn on post-it notes. Or it can be an interaction flow drawn on the whiteboard while we are discussing new concepts.
When working together in a team of developers, designers and other experts, you often get your wires crossed, and then it's really helpful to just sketch your ideas on the wall, point and say, hey, this is what I mean. And of course we are working visually when creating our architectural concepts.
And for me, storyboarding is really a key tool to bring in the people perspective. It's a visual language that everyone can understand, be it a developer, a designer, or a business person on the team.
Yeah, and when I work with teams, I always encourage everybody to visualize their ideas because it conveys the ideas much faster and it creates a common understanding in the team much better than just discussing.
And during the course, we're going to share our best practices and tools for visual communication. They are derived from many years of experience while working in multidisciplinary teams.
Yeah, and let me introduce the course structure to you now. During the first week, you will learn the basics, like how to hold a pen, how to sketch lines, some basic shapes, and how to improve your writing. During the second week, you will learn how to sketch processes and flowcharts, and how to sketch prototypes of application screens. During the third week, you will gain insights about situations in which you can sketch and the right sketching materials for those situations. This will enable you to start your own collection of sketched objects to use in all kinds of situations. During the final week, you will learn how to sketch people and movements and how to tell compelling stories. And in the final exercise, you will apply all your learnings and create your own storyboard. So how will you work in this course? Each section begins with theory, followed by many different exercises where you will practice a lot. Each week ends with a quiz. Passing these quizzes is the prerequisite to get the certificate for this course. And I encourage you to share your sketches with everybody in the forum.
I would like to encourage you to just get started and practice wherever you can.
Use any opportunity to implement visual communication in your daily routines.
And last but not least,
Have
Have
fun!